Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be trimming my ends. I haven't done that in a year, which it's not like me. I always keep up on those things. So I'll be trimming my ends, but I'm not gonna be doing too much. I'm just gonna be trimming my ends with these plaits. I did these plaits a couple days ago, but it is a hot mess right now because I just washed my hair with the plaits. The reason why I washed my hair with the plaits is because I washed my hair a couple days ago before I did these plaits. So I just thought about it, the easiest way to trim my ends, like what you see in my older videos, like previous videos trimming my ends. I'm gonna trim the ends in these plaits so it's easier, you know, just getting rid of these split ends. Like I said, I'm gonna be trimming the ends. I'm gonna be moisturizing my hair, like just take care of my hair because it's something I haven't done. I'm not on top of my hair routine. It's been like a couple months now. Like I have to get back on it because my hair just dry. It's so dry, it just lack of love. Yes, so I'm gonna be doing that and refreshing these plaits so they could look fresh again. So let's just start by trimming the ends. I'm gonna put it up in a ponytail. I won't be doing too much. I just bought these scissors like 2 days ago to do this, and yeah, so let's begin. So when I run my finger on the ends of my hair, I can feel the split ends. I can feel like it just feel horrible. So I just know that these frizzy area is what I'll be cutting. If you see me looking over here, I have a mirror right here that I'm looking into to see what I'm doing, because I'm not gonna go ham cutting too much. I'm just cutting off the parts that need to be cut. So like right here, yeah, this part felt horrible. I can see the little black. Let me see if it can show on camera. I don't know if you could see like the single strand knots, and this looks bad. Yeah, it looks really bad. It really needed to go. Don't mind my nails. I literally just took the nails off this morning by myself without acrylic or acetone. I just like giving my nails a break until the end of this month. Anyways, let's continue. Gosh, it's bad. It's bad, guys. Guys, I don't trim my ends that often. I only trim when it's necessary, but this was long overdue. Only if it's necessary. It's not like a set time to trim my ends. When you run your finger on the ends, you will feel it and you will know. And especially when you're combing your hair and you keep on getting those knots at the ends, you know definitely need to be trimmed. When it look frizzy and you see the split ends, you just know it's that time. And I feel like me waiting so long, over a year, to trim my ends, it kind of stopped the growth a little bit. It did. Because you know, your hair starts from the roots, so you have to take care of your roots, right? But then when it keep growing, it keep breaking from here because of the split end, and then it split all the way up to the shaft, and then you get breakage and you don't get growth. So I think that's what's happening for me. The ends are just, it's a blockage basically, but gotta do what we have to do, right? By the way, don't just use any random scissors in your house. No, you have to use a shear, like a hair shear, and you have to make sure it's not dull, because using a dull scissors is only gonna make it worse. Trust me, I don't want to do that. So I always change my scissors. Not every trim I change my scissors, no, but I make sure to do it as often as possible. I just got a new one after a year, so I'm all done trimming the ends, and this is what I trimmed so far. Now I'm gonna move on to moisturizing my hair. I'm gonna redo these plaits, but just like unravel them and just do it over one at a time, just to refresh it, you know. So I'm gonna be using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. I'm also gonna be using the ORS Olive Oil moisturizing hair lotion. You guys already know this is my favorite moisturizer. And for sealing the moisturizer, I'm gonna be using the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. So I'm just gonna be spraying the leave-in conditioner all over. This is just a quick way to refresh your hairstyle, because what I'm doing right now is not the real way to moisturize your hair. Have your hair unraveled, washed, moisturized, so every strand can get moisturized is the correct way. But because I'm just doing a little something here, it's a start. This is a start for me to get back on track with my hair, taking care of my hair with my hair routine and stuff like that. So yeah. So leave-in first, ORS, and now I'm gonna seal all of that moisturizer with oil. That feels good. My hair feels so much better. Look, it's moving now. At first, before I cut the ends, it wasn't moving like this. Now it's free. It's like, oh, I'm free. Finally, I get to move around. Anyways, like I said, one at a time, I'll be refreshing my plaits, because it's another work week. Today's Sunday, Monday back to work, and I'm not gonna wake up early in the morning, keep brushing up and combing hair and everything. So I rather to do all of this on Sunday. So throughout the week, I have a protective style. I just get up, fix my edges, yeah, and that's it for the hair. Ooh. Now that I unravel it, it feels moisturized, but I'ma just add a little bit more. Yes, sir. I already have a full video on how I do these plaits, this same exact protective style. I have a video on my channel. I'll leave the name in the card right here and also in the description box. Very detailed. feels healthy again. So I'm gonna be using my wild growth oil to oil my scalp. This wild growth oil, like I said in most of my videos, the yellow bottle wild growth oil is mixed with Jamaican black castor oil, and the white bottle is just by itself. So I take turns with each bottle. So I'm finally finished. As you can see, it's looking better than before. A little better than before. Ooh, ooh. I realized the front of my hair is really longer than the back. But this is it, guys. I'm about to go take a shower and come back to show you guys how I actually wear these plaits throughout the week. Be right back. Alright, KK squad, so this is the final look, the finished look. This is how I wear my hair in this little ponytail throughout the week. Just like this. Sometimes I have it a look higher, it look more cute higher, but because I'm like moving fast, because I'm going outside. So anyways, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like this video, share it, thumbs up, hit that thumbs up button, please. Thank you for the support, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.